Tax-efficient investing isn't just a strategy, it's a game changer for your financial future. At Davies Wealth Management, we've witnessed the transformative power of smart tax management firsthand. Imagine keeping more of your hard-earned money working for you instead of losing it to unnecessary taxes. That's the essence of tax-efficient investing. Taxes can erode your investment gains, but by focusing on after-tax returns, you can make more informed decisions. Consider this. A municipal bond with a lower tax-free return might be more valuable than a higher yield corporate bond subject to taxation. Strategic asset location is key. By placing investments in the most tax advantageous accounts, you can shield income from current taxation. And don't overlook tax loss harvesting, a powerful tool to offset gains with losses, reducing your tax bill. Maximizing tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401ks is crucial. These accounts offer unique tax benefits that can lead to substantial savings over time. At Davies Wealth Management, we tailor tax-efficient strategies to your unique financial situation, helping you achieve your goals faster and with greater security.